Hey everyone, so let's talk about something I see all the time. People are religiously taking their vitamin D supplements, especially during those gloomy winter months, thinking they're doing everything right for their bones, their mood, and their immune system. They've heard it's the sunshine vitamin and they're loading up. But then, nothing. Their levels are still low on a blood test, or they're just not feeling the benefits they expected. It's frustrating, right? You're investing in your health, but it feels like you're just pouring money down the drain. Well, what if I told you that the vitamin D pill you're swallowing might be all dressed up with nowhere to go? It's like you've bought a ticket for a VIP party, but you don't have the right transportation or the special pass to actually get inside. Today we're going to uncover the 2 secret VIP passes your vitamin D desperately needs to do its job: vitamin K2 and magnesium. So, let's start with the basics. When you take vitamin D, one of its main jobs is to help your body absorb calcium from your food. This is fantastic news for your bones, right? We all know calcium equals strong bones. So your vitamin D is working hard, pulling all this calcium into your bloodstream. The party is starting! But here's where the first problem happens. Imagine all this calcium is now just floating around in your bloodstream, like a crowd of people waiting outside the party venue. They don't know where to go. This is where vitamin K2 steps in. Think of vitamin K2 as the super efficient, no-nonsense traffic cop or event organizer. Its job is to grab that calcium from your bloodstream and direct it exactly where it needs to go, primarily into your bones and teeth. It says, "All right, everyone, move along, the party is this way," and it deposits the calcium into your bone matrix, making it strong and dense. But what happens if you don't have enough K2? That crowd of calcium gets lost. Instead of going into your bones, it starts to wander into places it shouldn't be. It can deposit in your arteries, leading to calcification and hardening, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. It can build up in your kidneys, contributing to kidney stones. It can even deposit in your joints, causing pain and stiffness. So you're taking vitamin D to help your bones. But without K2, you could inadvertently be creating a whole new set of problems for your cardiovascular system and kidneys. It's a classic case of good intentions with a bad outcome. Okay, so we've got vitamin D absorbing the calcium and vitamin K2 directing it. That sounds like a complete team, right? Not quite. There's one more crucial player we need to talk about, and this one is the unsung hero of the entire operation: magnesium. If K2 is the traffic cop, magnesium is the power source that makes everything run. It's the electricity for the entire party. Here's why. Your body can't actually use the vitamin D you consume, whether from the sun or a supplement, in its storage form. It needs to be converted into its active form, called calcitriol. And guess what nutrient is required for every single step of that conversion process? You got it, magnesium. The enzymes in your liver and kidneys that activate vitamin D are magnesium dependent. So if you're low in magnesium, and spoiler alert, a huge percentage of the population is, your body literally cannot switch on the vitamin D. It's like having a brand new high-tech gadget with a dead battery. It doesn't matter how amazing the gadget is, without power it's just a useless piece of plastic. So you could be taking massive doses of vitamin D, but if you're magnesium deficient, your body is struggling to activate it. The vitamin D just sits there, unable to do its job of absorbing calcium. To make matters worse, taking high doses of vitamin D can actually deplete your magnesium stores even further, because your body is trying so hard to use the vitamin D that it uses up all its available magnesium in the process. This can lead to symptoms of magnesium deficiency like muscle cramps, anxiety, trouble sleeping, and fatigue. Things you might have been hoping the vitamin D would help with in the first place. So you see the synergy here? It's a 3-part harmony. Vitamin D gets the calcium into the blood. Vitamin K2 takes it from the blood and puts it into the bones. And magnesium is the master regulator that turns vitamin D on and makes the whole process possible. Taking one without the others is like trying to build a house with just the wood, but no nails or hammer. It's just not going to work effectively. So what's the takeaway here? If you're supplementing with vitamin D, it's incredibly important to ensure you're also getting enough vitamin K2 and magnesium. For K2, look for the MK7 form, which is more bioavailable, and you can find it in foods like natto, aged cheeses, and egg yolks. For magnesium, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate are great sources. However, because our soil is often depleted, many people find they need to supplement with magnesium as well. Forms like magnesium glycinate or malate are often well absorbed. Before starting any new supplement regimen, please talk to your doctor. Get your levels checked. But next time you reach for that vitamin D bottle, just remember its two best friends, K2 and Magnesium. They're the key to unlocking its full potential and ensuring you're actually building a healthier body, not just creating new problems. Thanks for listening.